Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So in this short video I'm going to tell you how you can search anything on Pubmed and what is the best way to search for literature. So let's start searching. This is the main page where we have searched the term cerebral palsy, and you can see 34,943 results have been shown. These are the filters on the left side, so you can choose a filter from, let's say, the year 2000, and you can click on free full text and full text, and you can select clinical trials, and randomized control trials as well. So now you can see only 612 results. If I remove this free text, you will see that the result is increased. So it depends on you. You can select any search criteria. If you want to look for the systematic reviews or any other thing, you can just click onto that. Let's, for example, right now we need to look for the systematic reviews and remove the clinical trial because they cannot go hand in hand. So 955. Let's check this also. So 3402. Now we have all these results. So what to do next? We can just export them. For example, you can click send to citation manager, and you can select all the researches or all the results or just the custom. So right now I'm selecting all results and I'm creating a file, and that's how your file is being created. You can import this file into EndNote, and this is just one term, so you can use the Boolean operators to refine your search terms or to refine your search, and then you will definitely get some good results. I hope you will like this video. If you like it, do let me know. Thank you very much.